So I had posted over the weekend about Maruti Suzuki, how it's looking interesting. So just wanted to touch base on my live entry. So I have bought Maruti. So the reason is pretty simple. End of day chart I've already explained. So if we look here, we can see that it has made a hammer and a bullish engulfing together on the same candle. So it's a very bullish signal, and so I went long around this close 12.18.18 with 12.796 as stop loss. My first target is going to be 12.970. My second target is going to be 13.050, and my third target is going to be 13.110. Right now I'm trailing because I expect some resistance to come in this area. Let's see how it reacts here, and then I will decide whether to book or not. Right now I'm not doing anything. I'm just leaving the position undisturbed, and let's see what happens. Okay, thanks for joining, and I hope you're having a nice day. Wish you all the best. Bye bye.